Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how to solve the error that does not start the Palworld game in Windows. So first of all we go to Properties. Then where it says Files Installed. And where it says Verify the integrity of the game files. We click there. I do not do it because I already have it done. Now second method. Go again to Properties. Again to Files Installed. And this time we give it where it says Browse. We click there. It will send us to what is the root folder of the game. And what we do is, to the file palworld.exe, we right-click. And we look for Properties. This will appear to us. So what we do is go to the section where it says Compatibility. And now what we do is give it where it says Disable Full Screen Optimizations. We click there. And we click also where it says Run this game as administrator. We click Apply. And we click OK. This is the second method. Now the third method. We go to the Windows search engine, and we look for the following Device Manager. We enter there. We wait for it to load. And we look for our graphic card. We look for our graphic card. Which should be here. The display adapters. So what we do? We select our graphic card, and we right-click, Update Driver. And we look for the drivers automatically. It will start to search. And if they do not have drivers, they will be installed automatically. Now let's see the fourth method. We need to have our, if it is NVIDIA or if it is AMD, we look for our application of our graphic card. Of the company of our graphic card. If they do not have it, the only thing we do is search NVIDIA Experience. And what we do is download the application. Search. We look for the same in our browser, NVIDIA app or NVIDIA Experience. And what we do is install what is the application. This application is to update all drivers of our graphic card, either that we have NVIDIA, which is with this application, or the AMD application, which is with the AMD cards. We accept and continue. Now, and that would be. Then, what we do is give it next, skip to applet. And now, what we are interested in, we go to the left part of the application, and where it says drivers, we download the last drivers, we click on download. And it will start to download the last drivers of our graphics card. For us to open the game and solve all the errors that we have, way to the graphics of the card, or do to something similar that has to do with the graphics card of our computer. Now, after we wait for the drivers to be installed in our application such as NVIDIA or IBD, then what we do now is the last method. The last method that we are going to use is the last method that is the fifth method. We go to our favorite browser and we look for the following: Microsoft Visual C++. We go down to the page and we give it where it says lasted supported redistributed version. We click and we download the two versions, x86 and x64. Now, we install the two versions. To me it looks like this because I already have it installed. I already have this application installed. Then all you have to do is click next, install. And they will install what is the version of Microsoft Visual C++. And we do the same. We do the same with the x64. As you can see, I already have it. All you have to do is install it. U2. And that would be all. We finish installing what is the driver update of our graphic card. And as soon as the installation is finished, what we have to do now is go to our game, whether it is on Steam or another store. We go to the game, and we can play. The only thing we have to do is give it a start, restart, and when we restart the PC, the only thing we do is give it to play, and we can play. And here I am going to do the example. And here I am going to do the example. We start the game. And it will start to load the game normally. We wait a few seconds. We give it OK. And as you can see, it loaded our game. And we can play calmly. Video with pleasure. Greetings to all. Subscribe and like if it was helpful. And goodbye.